How to attract someone without chasing them and make them find you desirable. As a matter of fact, they will chase you. Hi, everyone. Robert Zink, miracle mentor and alchemy success coach. And today we are soaring high like a big, beautiful eagle, and we are always flying in the direction of your dreams and your goals. High flyers, I'm absolutely thrilled that on May 12th, we have a special 90-minute webinar. I mean, it's an incredible webinar, and it's put on by the Instant Success Society. Wow. All I'm going to say is that you're going to learn the one secret that will change everything in your life: the money you desire, the love you crave, the health and happiness that you deserve and depend on. One secret can increase your manifesting power 100%, 500%, 1,000%. So go to instantsuccesssociety.com/live. The URL's in the description. Go there, sign up. It's going to cost you $1. I'm going to tell you that right up front. Okay. It's going to cost you $1 to sign up. And the reason is we don't want any bots. We want real people there that really want to learn the one secret that changes everything. So, high flyers, do you have a specific person? Do you have a special person that you're interested in? And you're wondering how you balance this balancing act between desiring someone and wanting them and not chasing them at the same time. If you'll listen to this entire program in its entirety, you'll discover how, you can desire someone without chasing them, and you can get them to chase you. Now, there's a difference between flirting and, bantering and that kind of stuff, and outright chasing and neediness. When you're operating your life from a position of chasing and neediness and worry and doubt and fear and low self-esteem, you are literally pushing that other person away. You're not pulling them to you. You're not getting them to chase you. You're actually getting them to run from you. As a matter of fact, low vibrational vibes push most people away, not just in love relationships, in business, in every area of life. It's important that you and I take responsibility for our vibration. To get your attraction working and to get them chasing you, it's important that you think in terms of manifesting them or creating them in your life, not from the outside in, but from the inside out. High flyers, as a matter of fact, all manifesting really takes place from the inside out. When you focus inward on who you are, on your innate qualities, and you express them, and you're not afraid to express them. You're not afraid to express your masculinity or your femininity and to be the best version of yourself. When you're able to do that, your magnetism literally explodes. So, high flyers, as I've said many times before, focus less on them and more on your own vibration, your own thought pattern, your own set of feelings. And guess what? Faking it does not make it. Okay. You can't fake. Look, you can't fake high vibrations. You can't fake positive vibrations. You can't fake self-confident vibrations. You either adopt them as a true and real belief or you don't. And if you don't, you're less likely to attract what you desire. Shift your intention from, I need to get this person, to, my intention is to see if this person is good for me. Think about that. Most people set their intention. My intention is to get Jack. My intention is to get Sally. My intent. Okay. That's operating from neediness. That's operating from doubt and fear. That's hoping that they will rescue you, and then you'll start feeling good about yourself. I'll feel good about myself when they like me. It doesn't work that way. You start loving yourself right now. You start taking care of yourself right now. You start elevating yourself right now. And then your intention is to see if they're a good fit for you. Now, if you've already been in a relationship, to see if they've made the appropriate changes, the real inward changes to be a good fit for you in a new relationship. And if you haven't been in a relationship, you don't want to get 2 or 3 or 4 years into a relationship to find out that they're not a good fit for you. You want to find out early on. So your intention is to find out it's about them being right for you. It's not about you being right for them. It's not about you proving yourself to anyone, because you're confident and you're solid in who you are. So, high flyers, this really comes down to the law of assumption. And let me tell you a little bit about the law of assumption if you don't know what it is exactly. It is the mindset that says, I already have it. It's already mine. You see, when Tom Brady walks onto the football field, he doesn't step onto that field hoping that he wins the game. He steps on the field expecting to win the game. There's a difference. Muhammad Ali said, I knew that I was the greatest long before I ever said I was the greatest. So when you assume who you are, what you're about, your magnetism, your attraction, it automatically shows up. It automatically starts to manifest in your life. So number one, know what you desire. Long before you get back with someone, and I don't care even if they broke up with you. Really, look at people say, well, yeah, but he broke up with me. He broke up with me. It's not about him proving anything to me. I want to be with him. Think about it. You attracted the breakup. Now, on this channel, we say, if you attracted the breakup, you can attract the reconciliation. Simple as that. So at some level, you attracted that breakup. Okay, if that's the case, what do you need this person to be? What do you need yourself to become? Knowing what you desire in a relationship starts with knowing what you need yourself to be first, and the kind of person you want to be in a relationship with second. High flyers, if you're not sure about what you desire, then maybe you need some time off. Maybe you need some space. You need to be absolutely clear about the kind of relationship you want to be involved in, whether it's a new relationship, a specific person, somebody you've been dating, or somebody that you broke up with that you would like to be back together with. Number two, believe that you are worth having the relationship, having that specific person. It's not about you proving yourself to them. It's about them being right for you. Are they right for you? And when you believe you're worth it, when you believe that you are unique and special and have qualities that no one else has that you bring to the relationship, that's important. That's very important. You see, that's an inner sense of confidence and magnetism that is unstoppable. It will literally get them chasing you. Well, number 3 is you want to qualify any specific person, whether it's an ex or somebody new, to see if they are now in alignment with your goals and your dreams. Let's say you have some young children and the person that you're dating really doesn't care for young children. They're not in alignment with your dreams and goals, are they? Think about it. That's just one example. Let's say you like prosperity and money, and they're happy living in a trailer park. They're not in alignment with your dreams and goals. So then you're going to have to ask yourself, is this really the right person for me? High flyers, it's not about you pursuing them. It's about you being clear on what you desire to manifest and allowing them to pursue you. So here's what I suggest that you do. Write down the qualities that you must have in any mate. In other words, if you weren't with anybody, if you weren't dating a specific person, if you hadn't gone through a breakup, whatever it is, either way, whatever the case is, write down the qualities that you must have, the must-haves. I must have this quality. If they don't give it to you, they're not the one, are they? Number 2, on the back side of that paper, where you wrote down all their positive qualities that you have to have, write down the deal breakers. What are the things that you just can't have? You just won't put up with. Write down those deal breakers. Look at it. If that deal breaker shows up early in the dating process, it's probably time to run. I don't care how nice they are in other areas of their life. You get the idea? So, what are the deal breakers? Only you know what are deal breakers to you. If you don't write them down, you're never going to be clear with yourself. You're always going to be wishy-washy. Be clear. Sharp edges, not round edges. Sharp edges. What you desire to have, must-haves. What are the deal breakers? Next, focus on the desires that you must have in a relationship. Visualize them. Feel them. Feel how good it feels to have all these desires. To be in a relationship where somebody has all the must-haves, where somebody doesn't break any of the deal breakers, where somebody is just right for you. Feel how good that feels, okay? And live it. Believe it. It's called the law of assumption. High flyers, finally, value your life's purpose. Why am I here? What is my life about? What is it that I really want to do? What is it that I haven't done that I need to be doing? And find someone in your life, attract someone that helps you. And if that person is in alignment with your life's purpose, if the two of you work great together, you're in the right place. If not, maybe time to move on. It's your choice. Your choice. That's the secret. Here's some other videos to help you on your journey.